Today we have to see HTML elements. HTML element is everything from start tag to end tag, right? It is everything from start tag to end tag. I will write here tag name, tag name, right? This is start of the tag name, and this is the end of the tag name, right? This is the end of the tag name, right? And content will be between these two tags. Content will here, content will here. Okay, this is the syntax, basic syntax, right? You have to understand properly, right? Every HTML element has start tag and end tag, right? And between that you have to put content, right? uh, Examples of some HTML element. I will give you some of the examples, right? I will give you some of the first. I have to comment out this examples, right? Examples, examples. Here you can see H1. This is start, and this is the end of the tag. This is the end of the tag, and you have to put content between these start tag and end tag, right? My first heading. Okay, my first heading. You can see, compare these two sentences, this one and this one. This is tag name. This is tag name. Tag name is here h1, and content will here my first name, my first heading is a content, and this is the end of the tag, right? Here you can see tag name h1 is a tag name, and here this is the symbol of uh, end tag. Okay, also I will give you one more example of paragraph. Here you can see this is the start tag and this is the end tag, and we have to put some of the content between these two start and end tag. This is what? Paragraph. Paragraph. This is paragraph. There are some of the empty element also. I will explain later about empty uh, element. Okay, here are some of the nested HTML elements. Nested HTML elements. I will write here in comment nested HTML element. Which are the nested elements? Nested HTML elements means there can be elements contain between elements, right? For example, first I will write short definition here. I will write here element Elements contain other elements, other element, other elements, right? Now you understand what is nested element. Nested HTML elements means elements contain other elements. You will get clarification in some of the next lines. uh, I will give you HTML tag, right? HTML tag. This is the HTML tag. You will see here, this is the first tag, start tag, this is the end tag. But this has some of the nested element. For example, head tag, this is situated between HTML. HTML is a root element, but just I have explaining for your clarification. Okay, here is body tag, and you can put uh, another elements in head tag. For example, there is title tag, right? This is title. Okay, and in body you can add heading h1. This is the largest heading in headings. Okay, this is heading, right? Also you can add paragraph. This is paragraph. Okay, here you can see, and you will get more clarification from this simple examination example. This is the parent element. This parent element has two uh, child element, which is head and body tag. Everyone has start tag and end tag, right? Head tag has one child, this is title. You can add more meta tags in that, but just I take one. Body tag has two child element, means that that is the these are the nested HTML elements. Okay, I will explain this example in more detail. What is HTML? What is HTML tag? HTML tag is the root element. Root element. Root element. Root element means this define whole HTML document, right? HTML tag define whole HTML element. Okay. uh, HTML is a root element. Okay, HTML tag has start tag. Here you can see HTML start tag, and this is the end tag. Okay, HTML element, there is a body tag. Okay, in HTML you will see body tag start, and this is the end tag. And in HTML body tag, we have include two more elements, which is h1 and p paragraph. Okay, so I will explain more about paragraph. Okay, let's I will explain more about paragraph tag. Body tag defines the document's body tag defines document's body tag has start and body tag has also end, right? And you will see there are two nested elements are situated in body tag h1 and paragraph p. And now I will explain further regarding heading. H1 element defines heading. H1 elements define heading, and it start with this symbol and this end with this symbol. It has start and end tag. Okay, and now paragraph. Same, paragraph element defines the paragraph and it has start tag and end tag. Okay, and you have to I will write here, you have to never skip you have to never skip the end tag end tag. If you will miss, then you will get an unexpected error. Therefore you have to follow proper syntax which is given in HTML DOM. Okay, there are some of the I will explain here. There are some m empty HTML elements. Which are these empty HTML elements? Empty means there are no content in that empty tag. For example, here you will see paragraph. This has starting point and this has end, and between this you will see content. But empty HTML element, there will be no content between that. I will give you example of br tag. Br tag means break. Break means, for example, when you will write a HTML code. For example, your requirement is to break the line. You have to don't write in the same line, you have to break the code. That time you can use this br tag, and this tag don't has end tag. This is only empty tag. This will break the line, code of line. Okay, and also one more is there is no closing tag for empty tag empty tag. And also I will explain some of the more information regarding HTML. HTML is not case case sensitive sensitive but there is highly recommended by reputed organization. HTML will be write in lowercase, right? There is no specification to write in lowercase or uppercase, but there is highly recommendation is to write HTML code in a lowercase. So this is enough for a day. Make more practice on that chapter, that will give you confidence, I will stop here.